Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly extraordinary for you. The all-new Bugatti Tourbillon, the revolutionary $5 million hypercar that's redefining the future of automotive performance and luxury. This isn't just the successor to the legendary Chiron, it's a complete reinvention of what a hypercar can be. Featuring a naturally aspirated V16 engine, cutting-edge hybrid technology, breathtaking design, and craftsmanship inspired by the world's finest timepieces, the Bugatti Tourbillon represents the pinnacle of engineering excellence. Whether you're a Bugatti enthusiast, a hypercar collector, or simply someone who appreciates automotive masterpieces, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're diving into the design, features, performance, technology, and everything that makes the Bugatti Tourbillon one of the most incredible cars ever created. Let's get into it. Exterior design. The Bugatti Tourbillon introduces a completely new design language while remaining unmistakably Bugatti. Every curve, vent, and aerodynamic surface has been engineered to create the perfect balance between beauty and performance. At the front, the iconic horseshoe grille remains the centerpiece, now redesigned with sharper lines and improved airflow management. The futuristic LED lighting signature gives the Tourbillon an aggressive yet elegant appearance, while the sculpted front splitter enhances both aerodynamics and visual impact. Moving to the side profile, the Tourbillon showcases stunning proportions that combine timeless elegance with modern hypercar performance. The dramatic side air intakes channel airflow to cool the powerful V16 hybrid powertrain, while the lightweight carbon fiber body panels contribute to exceptional performance and reduced weight. The aerodynamic wheels not only look spectacular, but also improve efficiency and high-speed SAS. Stability. At the rear, Bugatti has created one of the most striking designs ever seen on a production car. The active rear wing works seamlessly with the advanced aerodynamic package to maximize downforce and stability at extreme speeds. The unique rear lighting system stretches across the entire width of the vehicle, while the exposed diffuser and performance exhaust outlets remind everyone that this is one of the most powerful hypercars ever built. The Bugatti Tourbillon perfectly combines luxury, engineering, and automotive artistry, interior comfort, and luxury. The interior of the Bugatti Tourbillon redefines what luxury means in the hypercar world. Unlike many modern vehicles that rely heavily on large digital displays, Bugatti has created an interior inspired by the craftsmanship of Swiss luxury watches. The instrument cluster is a masterpiece of mechanical engineering, featuring precision components crafted from titanium, sapphire crystal, and premium metals. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, carbon fiber, aluminum, and handcrafted materials, creating an environment that feels more like a luxury timepiece than a traditional automobile. Every surface has been meticulously designed to provide both visual beauty and functional excellence. The steering wheel features a fixed central hub, allowing drivers to always maintain a clear view of the exquisite instrument cluster. Advanced infotainment technology remains hidden when not in use, preserving the timeless aesthetic of the interior. Ambient lighting, premium sound systems, and bespoke customization options ensure that every Bugatti Tourbillon can be uniquely tailored to its owner. The result is an interior experience unlike anything else in the automotive world. Performance and driving dynamics. The Bugatti Tourbillon delivers performance figures that seem almost impossible to believe. Under the hood sits an all-new, naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine, developed in collaboration with Cosworth. Producing approximately 1,000 horsepower on its own, this extraordinary engine is paired with 3 electric motors to generate a combined output of nearly 1,800 horsepower. This revolutionary hybrid powertrain allows the Tourbillon to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2 seconds, placing it among the fastest production cars ever built. The advanced all-wheel drive system delivers incredible traction and stability, while the lightweight chassis and aerodynamic design ensure exceptional handling characteristics. Bugatti engineers have focused not only on speed, but also on creating an emotional driving experience. The naturally aspirated V16 produces one of the most exhilarating sounds ever heard from a road car, while the electric motors provide instantaneous torque delivery. Advanced suspension technology adapts continuously to changing road conditions, offering the perfect balance between comfort and extreme performance. Whether accelerating on a racetrack or cruising on open roads, the Bugatti Tourbillon delivers a driving experience unlike any other vehicle on the planet. Technology and innovation. The Bugatti Tourbillon showcases some of the most advanced automotive technology ever developed. Its revolutionary hybrid system combines traditional mechanical engineering with state-of-the-art electric performance technology. The lightweight carbon composite chassis provides exceptional structural rigidity while minimizing weight. The vehicle features advanced active aerodynamics that automatically adjust depending on speed, braking, and driving conditions. Sophisticated electronic control systems continuously optimize performance, handling, and stability to provide maximum confidence at any speed. One of the Tourbillon's most remarkable innovations is its commitment to timeless engineering. Rather than relying entirely on digital interfaces that may become outdated, Bugatti has created a mechanical masterpiece designed to remain desirable for decades. This philosophy extends throughout every aspect of the vehicle, from its handcrafted instrumentation to its advanced hybrid powertrain. The result is a hypercar that combines the best elements of traditional craftsmanship and future technology. Exclusivity and ownership. The Bugatti Tourbillon is not simply a car, it's one of the world's most exclusive luxury possessions. Production will be limited to just 250 units worldwide, ensuring that ownership remains reserved for an extremely select group of collectors and enthusiasts. Each vehicle will be handcrafted to the exact specifications of its owner, with nearly unlimited customization possibilities available through Bugatti's bespoke personalization program. Buyers can choose from countless exterior finishes, interior materials, and exclusive options to create a truly one-of-a-kind masterpiece. With a starting price of approximately $5 million before customization, the Bugatti Tourbillon represents one of the most expensive production automobiles ever created. However, many collectors believe its rarity, engineering significance, and historical importance could make it one of the most valuable automotive investments of the modern era. Pricing and production. The Bugatti Tourbillon starts at approximately $5 million, making it one of the most exclusive and expensive hypercars in the world. Production is strictly limited to only 250 examples, with deliveries expected to begin in the coming years. Additional customization options through Bugatti's bespoke program can significantly increase the final price, with some owners expected to spend several $1,000,000 beyond the base cost. Every tourbillon will be individually handcrafted, ensuring exceptional attention to detail and exclusivity. This remarkable combination of performance, luxury, rarity, and craftsmanship guarantees that the Bugatti Tourbillon will become one of the most sought-after hypercars ever produced. And that wraps up our deep dive into the incredible Bugatti Tourbillon, the revolutionary $5 million hypercar that's redefining automotive excellence. From its breathtaking design and rally-aspirated V16 engine to its cutting-edge hybrid technology and unmatched luxury, the Tourbillon truly represents the future of hypercars. What do you think of Bugatti's latest masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safely, everyone! If you'd like, I can also expand this into a full 3,500-word cinematic YouTube script with hooks, transitions, specs, pricing, and retention-focused storytelling.